So example 4 says, write the standard form of the equation of the circle that passes through the points at 5, 3, negative 2, 2, and negative 5, negative 1, negative 5. Then identify the center and the radius of the circle. So we know that the circle passes through 3 points, right? And we need to write the equation in a standard form. So first, we're going to use the general form of the general form of the circle, okay, which is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Okay, that's the general form of the equation of the circle. Now we're going to substitute 5, 3 into that equation. X is 5, y is 3. So we get 5 squared plus 3 squared plus d times 5 plus e times 3 plus f equals 0. That's 25 plus 9 plus 5d plus 3e plus f equals 0. 9 plus 5, that's 34 plus 5d plus 3e plus f equals 0. Pass 34 to the other side, and we get 5d plus 3e plus f equals negative 34. Okay, now let's substitute a negative 2, 2 into the general form of the equation of the circle. So we get negative 2 squared plus 2 squared plus d times 2, negative 2 plus e times 2 plus f equal 0. Simplify that. 4 plus 4 minus 2d plus 2e plus f equals 0. That's 8 minus 2d plus 2e plus f equals 0. Pass 8 to the other side, and we get negative 2d plus 2e plus f equals negative 8. Now, finally, we substitute into the general form of the equation of a circle. We're going to substitute with point negative 1, negative 5. So we get negative 1 squared plus negative 5 squared plus d times negative 1 plus e times negative 5 plus f equals 0. So that's 1 plus 25 minus d minus 5e plus f equals 0. So 26 minus d minus 5e plus f equals 0. Pass 26 to the other side, and we get negative d minus 5e plus f equals negative 26. So now we have 3 equations in 3 variables, d, e, and f. So we're going to have to find the values of d, e, and f by solving a system of equations in 3 variables. So we have this system of equation in 3 variables. So we're going to find the values of D, E, and E. So first we choose the top and the middle equation, and we get 5D plus 3E plus F equals negative 34, negative 2D plus 2E plus F equals negative 8. So we're going to cancel or eliminate F. To do that, we're going to multiply the bottom equation by negative 1. Okay, so we get 5D plus 3E plus F equals negative 34. Negative times negative 2D, that's positive 2D. Negative times positive 2E, that's negative 2E. Negative 1 times F, negative F equals negative 8 times negative 1, that's positive 8. So now we add 5D plus 2D, that's 7D. 3E minus 2E, that's E. F minus F, we cancel, equals negative 34 plus 8, that's negative 26. Okay. Second step, we use the middle equation and the last equation. So we get negative 2D plus 2E plus F equals negative 8. Negative D minus 5E plus F equals negative 26. Since we cancel F in the first step, we're going to cancel F again, and we're going to cancel that by multiplying times negative 1, both sides. So we get negative 2D plus 2E plus F equals negative 8. D plus 5E minus F equals 26. Now we get negative 2D plus D, that's negative D. 2E plus 5E, that's plus 7E. Cancel F equals negative 8 plus 26, that's positive 18. Okay. Now we have two equations with two variables, so we're going to solve them. We combine those two, 7D plus E equals negative 26. Negative D plus 7E equals 18. Okay? So, if we cancel, the easiest to cancel here is D. So to cancel D, we have to multiply both sides of the bottom equation by 7. So we get 7D plus E equals negative 26. Negative 7D plus 49E equals 126. We simplify 7D minus 7D, that's we cancel. 1E plus 49, that's 50E equals 100. Divide by 50. We get that E equals 100 divided by 50. E equals 2. So we have the value of E. Now let's find. We choose one of these two equations. We choose one of these two equations. Anyone, it doesn't matter. I'm going to choose the top one. 7D plus E equals negative 26. Let's substitute 7D plus 2 equals negative 26. 7D equals negative 26 minus 2. 70 equals negative 28. Divide by 7. D equals negative 28 divided by 7. D equals negative 4. Now all we're missing is F. So to find F, we're going to choose one of these three original equations. I'm going to choose the middle one. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Negative 2D plus 2E plus F equals negative 8. Okay, so I chose the middle one. Now let's substitute. Negative 2 times negative 4 plus 2 times 2 plus F equals negative 8. So we got 8 plus 4 plus F equals negative 8. 12 plus F equals negative 8. F equals negative 8 minus 12. F equals negative 20. Okay? So we have the values of E, D, and F. So we go back to the general form of the equation of the circle. Okay? We go back to that equation. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. We're going to substitute the values of E, D, and F. X squared plus y squared plus D negative 4x plus E 2y plus F negative 20 equals 0. We simplify this. X squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 20 equals 0. Okay? Now that we have the general form of the equation of a circle, let's write it into the standard form. So now we're going to put x's together and y's together. So we get x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 2y minus 20 equals 0. Okay, so we're going to move the constant to the other side, and we get x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 2y equals 20. Now we're going to group the x and group the y's, and we're going to complete the squares for x and for y. Okay, so here b equals negative 4, and here b equals 2. So we have to find half of b squared. So that's negative 4 divided by 2 squared. That's negative 2 squared equals 4. Here we have b half squared. That means 2 divided by 2 squared. That's 1 squared. That's equal to 1. Okay, so we get x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals 20. Since we add 4 and we add 1 on this side, we have to add 4 and 1 on the other side. Okay, now we write the binomial squared. So for this, it's going to be x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25. Okay, so x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 5 squared. So this is our equation in a standard form. Now let's identify the center. Center is HK. So in this case, the center is equal to H is 2, K is -1. That will be the center, and the radius equals R, and R equals 5. Okay? And that's the equation in a standard form of a circle that passes through 3 points, 5, 3, -2, 2, and -1, -5. And then we identify the center and the radius. Okay? So your homework number 3, page 627, problems. It'll be problem 6 through 40, even, and 41. 6 through 40 even, and 41. Okay, guys, that's all.